Question number 2. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers?
Okay. The taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed, along with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220. For a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 310. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? So let the fixed charge be some X rupees, okay? Okay. Charge per kilometer is some by rupees. Okay, up to here clear first.
Yes, sir.
For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220. Okay. Now X plus 10Y is equal to 220 rupees. This is equation number 1.
Okay, sir.
So X is nothing but the fixed charge. If you go for 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer or 3 kilometer, you have to give minimum fixed charges some X rupees. Okay. After that, for additional kilometer, Y rupees is the charge. Understood now? For example, మనము ఒక ట్యాక్సీ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, ట్యాక్సీలో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అది 1 కిలోమీటర్ అయినా కాకపోయినా కూడా మినిమం చార్జ్ అనేది ఒకటి పే చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. మనం ఇలా ట్యాక్సీ ఎక్కి దిగినా కూడా we have to pay some fixed charge. That is nothing but X. Okay, charge per 1 kilometer. Additional kilometers is nothing but Y. Okay, here he traveled a distance of 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers అతను వెళ్ళాడు. సో దానికి ఎంత మనీ పే చేశాడు? 220 రూపీస్ పే చేశాడు. అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ చార్జ్ ప్లస్ కిలోమీటర్ చార్జెస్, 10 kilometers charges, 10 into y, together 220. For 15 kilometers, for a distance of 15 kilometer, charge paid is 310. Okay. This is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. First up to here copy.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Two 20. X plus 15 y.
minus 90. 310. You have to subtract 310 and 220. How much you will get? 90 only?
Yes, sir.
Minus minus cancel. 90 by 5. So you will get 18. Charge per additional kilometer is nothing but 18 rupees. Charge per kilometer is nothing but 18 rupees. Next, you substitute 18 in a first equation or second equation,
Sir,
you will get
minus
expression.
90 or plus 90, sir?
This is minus 90, minus minus cancel on both
Cancel.
sides.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. So 40. Fixed charge is 40 rupees.
40.
Therefore, fixed charge is 40 rupees. Charge per kilometer is 18.
Completed, sir.
Okay, next question.
May I read, sir?
Read the question.
A fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If, however, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. What is that fraction?
So first, let the fraction be some x by y. Okay, this is the fraction. Let the fraction be some x by y. Fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. Okay, up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
4 by 5. This is the first equation. And fraction becomes 1 by 2. 5 is subtracted from numerator and denominator. Okay. This is equation number 2. Up to here copy.
Completed, sir.
Okay, now we take the first equation and solve it. This is the first equation, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we do cross multiplication. Multiply with 5, multiply with 4. This is -1. This is equation number 3.
Sir, we can take equation number 2 also, sir.
Yes, now we are solving. Equation number 2, this is right.
Yes, sir.
Again, you do cross multiplication. Okay. This is +5. This is equation number 4.
Sir, why we took -10 to left side and send 1 by to this side?
XY terms one side, numbers one side.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, now solving 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. What is equation number 3?
5x minus 4y equals to -1. 2x minus 1y equals to 5, sir.
So equate the coefficients of x.
2, 5.
Okay, both gets cancel here. So minus 3y is equal to minus 27. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 27 by 3. 3 one time, 3 9 times. Y value is 9. Substitute that y value in equation number 3. You will get x value. Or equation number 4. Any one equation. So 2x is equal to 5 plus 9 it is. 2x is equal to it is 14. X is nothing but 14 by 2. 7. You will get 7. X is 7, y is 9. So therefore the fraction x by y is nothing but 7 by 9.
Sir, once one down, explain down processes. Substitution.
Substitution here 2x minus 1y is equal to 5. So 2x into 2x minus 1 into y. 9 here. Okay, that is equal to 5. 9 is going to right side becomes 14. 14 by 2 is 7.
9 how can sir? 2 5 the 10. 10 minus 1 9 sir.
Y value 9 na.
Okay sir.
Y value అవుతుంది.
Completed sir. Question. Question number 6 may I read sir.
Yes, read question number 6.
Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time at different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars?
Okay. So places A and B are 100 km apart on the highway. So the distance between A and B is nothing but 100 kilometers. Okay. One car starts from A, another car starts from B at the same time. Okay, just wait. Okay,
Same time at different speeds.
so A, B are the two places. The distance between both is nothing but 100 kilometers. One car is starting from A, one car is starting from B. Okay,
Yes,
places
sir.
A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time at different speeds. Let the speed of the first car be X, let the speed of the second car be Y. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. So if this A car is also going this direction, B car also going in this direction, they meet after 5 hours. Okay, if they are coming in opposite direction, they meet after 1 hour. Understood now? What are the speeds
Yes,
of two
sir.
cars? So this is the question. So let the speed of the car, let the speed car which start at A, start at place A, X kilometer per hour. Okay. Let the speed of the car which start
At place B, Y.
at place B, Y kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the car which starts at X, and this is the speed of the car which starts at Y, which starts at B. Now the distance traveled by car which starts at A in 5 hours. Car A, you think car A, okay? Distance traveled by car A is nothing but distance is nothing but speed into time. What is the speed? X kilometer. Time is 5 hours. So 5x in 5 hours. Write this
The
up to here.
speed into time or speed plus time, sir.
Speed into time. 5x I written na.
Completed, sir.
So distance traveled by car which starts at B in 5 hours, that is 5y. 5y speed into time. Now by the problem or according to the problem, cars traveled in same direction. So just now we have spoke car, one car is starting at A, one car is starting at B. They are moving in the same direction. Meet after 5 hours. Okay. Distance is 100 kilometers between both A and B. So 5x minus 5y, the difference of their distances is equal to 100. Understood now?
Understood,
Take
sir.
5 common. 5 common. 100 by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s are. X minus y is equal to 20. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, by the problem, cars traveled in opposite direction. X plus y together 100. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
This is equation number 2. Now we will solve 1 and 2 to get the answer. First you copy this.
Completed, sir.
Solving 1 and 2. Add, if you add these two, it is 120. X is nothing but 120 by 2. 1 time 2 6 times 60. Speed of the first car is 60 km/h. Substitute in any one equation to get y value. This is 40. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Let's now read next question.
Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees, less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle.
Okay. Let the two complementary angles be x and y. Let the smaller angle is nothing but x degrees and larger angle is y. Complementary angles means sum of two angles is nothing but 90
90
degrees.
degrees.
Okay. X plus y together 90. Yes. Now, what is the condition he given? The larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of
Twice the measure
smaller
of the
angle.
smaller angle.
Larger angle is y. 2 less than twice the measure of smaller angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So y is nothing but 2x minus 3. Now, if you bring this x to left side, so this is equation number 2, this is equation number 1, solve.
One. One and two.
Now we subtract, both let's cancel here. Here it is 3x is equal to 93. (31 degrees). X is 31 degrees. Now calculate the y value. Substitute and calculate. Find out that.
Sir, what, sir?
Find out that y value I am asking.
Okay. Sir, 59, sir.
Yes, 59, correct.
Completed, sir.
What is question number 8?
An algebraic an an algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. How many pages are in each part of the book?
Okay. So book is broken into two parts. Total 1382 pages are there. So it is broken up into two parts. The second part has 64 pages more than the first part. So let the first part be X. Second part is equal to Y. Okay. X plus Y together 82 pages. That is only condition. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more condition is given. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part.
More than first part.
Then first part. Okay, up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
You can write like this also. X minus Y is equal to minus 64, you can write. Or you can write Y is nothing but X plus 64. Okay, second part is having 64 more pages than the first part. So now you bring it X to left side. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Solve 1 and 2. Okay, solve this 1 and 2 and tell me X and Y value.
Why 659, sir?
Y is
659, sir.
okay. X is
Not this. Why correct only, yes, sir?
yes, correct అండి.
X I will do X.
Okay.
Sir, 723, sir. X.
Yes, correct.
Next question, sir. Sir, one minute, please wait, sir.
Okay.
Sir, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we will continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.